Here we are on the deposit page. In this case, we are working on a FERS retirement. If this were a CSRS case, that would be indicated at the top of the page. If there was a time when retirement contributions were not made, you would indicate yes and indicate the dates when no contributions were made, the dollar amount owed. If you know the date the deposit was or will be paid, you can manually enter that here. Or if you don't know the date, you can leave it blank and click Calculate Deposit. If you scroll down, you can see what the interest would be, plus the total deposit owed, and what the penalty will be if not paying the deposit. After your data entry, you'll click Next. Not only will your data be saved, but you'll be taken to the next applicable form. If you do not have a deposit, simply indicate no, and you will be directed to the next applicable form.